release the screw over here, and then I can now decide to move the light down or even bring it all the way up. You have that flexibility. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today's video is more like a follow-up video to one of my earlier videos, obviously. It was a DIY version of what I called all-in-one lighting setup, like the only lighting setup that you need. And it comprised of two lights. So what I did in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, I'm going to link it somewhere in the card. You can click it and check that out. But what I did was I had just one light stand. It was a C stand, and then we boomed the main light on top of it, and then on that same bar we just added a spigot to one of the grip heads, and then we put our second light on that. The issue with it is if you're adjusting the height, right, both lights get adjusted at the same time. So what I decided to do this time is just get an Avenger clamp that also comes with a grip head. And because I have a couple of C stands, what I decided to do is just remove one of the boom arms and then just put it on the clamp, the Avenger clamp, and then we added our second light to it. So what this is going to do for us is going to allow us move this main light independently and then move the second light independently as well. So we have a ton of flexibility with that. We can adjust the height of this very easily. Let me just demo that for you to see. So all I need to do is just release the screw over here, and then I can now decide to move the light down or even bring it all the way up. You have that flexibility. And then the same goes for the light on the top. Just always make sure that it's secure. So now I can just move this light as well. Just like in the previous video, the issue that I had initially, like I mentioned, was the space between the two modifiers was limited. And so I was using a wider lens, getting closer to my subject and then shooting. But because we don't have that issue with this setup, I have all this space to myself. I can choose longer lenses now. And if I go back and I want to shoot and any of them is in the frame, I can adjust it and it's not going to affect the other light. So let's just see if we get better results with this setup. I'm just going to be using these two lights. I'll be walking you guys through the camera settings, and then we'll be taking some shots showing you guys how everything turns out. By the way, if you want to get this clamp, I will put the link in the description box so that you can check it out just in case you want to mimic this setup. You can also buy these boom arms separately just in case you already have a C stand and you don't want to invest in a full set. You can get the arm separately. I'll just put the links down so you guys can check it out and then copy them if you want to mimic this setup. Alright, so for my camera settings, I'm using my Canon R5, but trust me, you can get these results with basically any camera. That you can attach a trigger on, and that you can interchange the lens so that you can vary your focal length. But because I have an R5, that is what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using the 85mm lens just because I want to shoot a bit wide open. I think I'll be doing maybe 1.8, and that's because I want to add more depth to the background. So that is it. For my main light, it's in group A and it's on 1/64. My fill light is in group B and is on 1/256. So I'm using the least power on the light, and I'm still going to be getting really interesting results. So let's start shooting and then let's see what we can get. All right, Aisha. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's nice. It's saying that I am overexposing a bit, so yeah, I'm just going to increase my shutter speed from 1/160 to 1/200. Take another shot. Yeah, that looks good. Perfect. Yeah, that's nice. Come even closer. Bring your eyes back. Yeah. Okay, maybe look like here. Look at my, yeah, right there. Nice. Beautiful. I've just made a few adjustments to my lights. But that's the thing with shooting in the studio. When you're capturing certain things, sometimes your subject may move just a little bit closer, or you find that maybe when she moves a little further back, it looks a little better. So then you just adjust your lighting to suit that. So that's what I did. I made her come just a little bit closer to the lights, and then I turned them down just a little bit. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, bring your hands a little. Yeah. Add the two. You can put them like the two together. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Let this hand go up a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Let's do instead of straight on, maybe just angle. Yeah, then just bring your body back. Perfect. Ooh, I love that. No, I like it when you're looking that way. Yeah. Let me get even tighter and see what we can get. Yeah, that's beautiful. Ooh, chin up a little, perfect. Let me shoot from slightly lower. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a thing or two as well. What do you think about this addition to the DIY tool light setup? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.